Every February 22nd, young girls around the world gather together to celebrate World Thinking Day. This special day was created by World Association of Girl Scouts and Girl Guides in 1999 to encourage girls to speak out on issues that matter to them. The origins of World Thinking Day date back to 1926 when Girl Scouts and Girl Guides from around the world made an international conference. They decided to choose a day each year to think of each other and the wider community. February 22 was chosen because it was the birthday of Scouting's founder, Lord Robert Baden-Powell, and his wife Olawe, who served as World Chief Guide. Today, World Thinking Day is celebrated by over 10 million Girl Scouts and Girl Guides from 150 countries. It teaches girls that they are part of a global community. Girls participate in activities centered around a theme to raise their awareness of issues girls face internationally. Past themes have included education, the environment, diversity, and inclusion. The activities often include learning about real challenges that girls from other countries face. Girls then take action through community service projects such as fundraisers, donation drives, and educational campaigns. These actions give girls a sense of empowerment that they can create positive change in the world. Local Girl Scout troops celebrate World Thinking Day with cultural fairs, parades in their traditional uniforms, and by exchanging swaps. Special watch merchandise affectionately pinned somewhere as a symbolic way to connect with sister scouts worldwide. In an increasingly globalized world, World Thinking Day is an opportunity for girls to broaden their perspectives and understand that despite our differences, everyone faces struggles and everyone has a role to play to improve the lives of people in their communities. On February 22, as the sun rises in the east and sets in the west, worlds of girls come together through World Thinking Day to make the world a little bit better and brighter. This day of international friendship and service is an inspiring example of how youth can lead the way to a more just, sustainable future for all. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful World Thinking Day. Cheers!